coward. We have a new world to conquer. You make me sick.
Leave me alone, please.
Hiding in the shadows. Hiding from who you truly are.
Oh.
You can't escape yourself.
Got the screws, got the plate, got the bar pad here. But finally, the streets got something to fear. I've also got some grips and a will to proceed. Now, I've started off by installing the ODI number plate I just painted. And it looks so damn good. But it was a slow and painful process. But I mean, look at this, take a look at this. We're gonna install the bar pad next. I really have nothing to say for this part, so just listen to the music. It looks like great on here. I can't wait to ride this thing. But that's close, cause now we're just gonna have to install the grips, and I had to take the old ones first off, cause yeah, that's the first thing you do, everybody knows that. Now don't throw this around because they're just cheap rubber and you have to handle them. Don't throw this around because they may break on you. That was easy. Now I've installed the second grip also and we're going riding. I've been waiting for that. We are on a mission, guys. We have to go shopping a bit and I'm excited to do that, obviously, on this modded bike. Now that it looks so you should be able to understand my English better because I've been getting better at it and I've been trying to improve. As you may know, I'm from Romania and it's really different from Romanian accent, like the English accent and all of that. But I've been trying to improve and I've been speaking a lot of it, and it should be so better now. What can I say about this? Like, the bar pad looks so cool on here. It's like the best part of this upgrade. The ODI plate is like, and the grips, bro, the grips feel so good. Like, I didn't think they're gonna do that, like, such a big improvement, but it really does. And I've been also getting good at wheelies, but I'm gonna show that later, since we have to get, like, some spicy sauce so I can eat the KFC my mom brought home. And I know you may see that's not, like, healthy, but I just eat that, like, so rarely. It's just like a nice snack. Passing the kindergarten, number 4, and the little like playground shit. Okay, I almost fucking ran into that guy. Oh my fucking god, nah! Oh hell nah! Oh hell nah! Imagine the charges on that. I would have fucking like broke both of his femurs. Have to wait for the cars and we're gonna make a left turn here. Left hand turn. Like you say in America. So nice to have one of these just at home. You can ride whenever you want it and all that great stuff. Just it's so great to me to have this opportunity to like go out riding every day and have fun with my friends and my cousin, especially because he also got a yozma. And I don't know if you saw that in the first video. That's just so cool. Wow, I feel much more comfortable speaking in English now. Hope it is also like the reality, and we're gonna take the cheater shortcut through some dirt. So excited for this. He just turns left right there. Basically jukes me because I had to wait all that time for those slow ass cars. It scares me leaving the bike unsupervised here, but there's just really nothing they can do. It's just down this. Target acquired. So we achieved the sauce. Now I gotta go grab 2 more things. My mom and my dad told me to. We're gonna be a bit quiet. I don't want now to see people hearing me. It's so embarrassing. The sauce here. Wait, I forgot to do the outro. Hope you enjoyed this, and we just modded it so great. I mean, it might not be the best, and I have to put these plastics on. I'm gonna do a video at the end with the finished product, but it looks fine. Like, I mean, why not? I may do some wheelies right now. Let's see.
Yo, boom. The thing goes.